my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 3.5-inch rough country lift kit on it, some rough country dual steering stabilizers, Bushwhacker fender flares, our Central Alps rock sliders, a Central Alps rear bumper, a Dv8 Slantback top that we painted to color match the Jeep. We put a Dv8 Stinger front bumper. I believe it's a FS7, but either way it's discontinued, so you can't get it. We put a 12,000-pound synthetic rope winch on it. We put some LED headlights very similar to a JW speaker headlight and a 10th anniversary Mopar hood, along with your light bar on the top. Also, we have some 20x12 RD01, also known as a red dirt road dirt wheel, and some 37 1250 R20 Federal Couragia mud terrain tires. Tips and tricks on the lift: make sure that you have a pitman arm puller because you will need to replace your pitman arm. Besides that, make sure you have some drill bits because you will need to drill for the track bar relocation brackets in the front and in the rear. Besides that, we hydro dip the interior, and it's got a backup camera and a new head unit. It is a Pioneer head unit. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy any of these parts, whether it's the fender flares, the tires, the wheels, the bumpers, the lift, the grill, the rails, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're sitting there and you're saying, Michael, I love this Jeep, I love the top and the lights and everything about it, I don't want to have to go buy a Jeep and then bring it to you and have you lift it. I just want it already done. Luckily for you, we're going to start posting the vehicles that we have built for dealers that are currently for sale on our website. So go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and it will let you scroll through all of the vehicles that are currently for sale that we've built for dealers waiting for a new owner. And the hope would be that you find your perfect vehicle, you can click the link to the dealer, and then you're driving away in your new car today or tomorrow. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and have a great day.